Hearing about the shortage of N95 masks during the COVID crisis really inspired us to do what we could, as medical students to try to help the situation.
I wanted to find a way to get involved, but still keep myself safe, and others as well.
We're a team of 4 medical students. So Kathleen Kelly, who's a second-year medical student from University of Miami, and then 3 M1s, Vivian Burton, Stephenson, and myself. We partnered up with this team from ODU of engineering students, and they helped us design this 3D printed masks that would be able to protect healthcare providers who are treating COVID patients.
The cool part about the masks is that they are reusable, as opposed to the one-time use masks that we have now, maybe 1 or 2 times, but these are kind of like Legos where you can take them apart, sanitize them, and then just replace the filter.
Basically, the way we started out is printing, a couple prototypes and kind of going back and forth with them, putting masks together, trying them on. We even had Kathleen Kelly's dad, who is a pediatric surgeon at CHKD, try one of the masks in practice and give us some feedback, and so we kind of went from there. And so now we just today gave our first batch of 28 masks to CHKD, and then we're going to be printing about 100 more this week, and we hope to keep up this until basically the end of the pandemic.